Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG Dishwasher Door Gasket. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door gasket. The door gasket seals the dishwasher door. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged, you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we can see the door gasket runs along this channel right here. We're just going to reach in and pull it out. Once you have it free, you can just pull it out along the whole channel. Once you have it out of the channel, you can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old door gasket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before you put the door gasket in, you can spray some water in the channel around here to make it easier to push in. You can also get the gasket wet when you're putting it in, especially in the corners where it's a little bit tighter. Once you're ready, we can grab the gasket and push it into the channel. To put the door gasket in, we're just going to line it up with the channel and push it in. You want to make sure you seat it all the way so it gets a good seal and the door closes properly. As you're pushing the gasket in the last little bit, you want to look at the length of the gasket before you push it all the way in. Ours was a little bit long, so we're just going to measure it to the point where it's going to be at the bottom of the channel on the floor right there, and we're just going to trim it off. Once you have the measurement, we can just take a scissors, it's pretty soft rubber, and cut it off to the right length. Once you have it cut, you can push it all the way into the channel. Once you have it cut off and pushed all the way into the channel, you can go around the door one more time. Just make sure you have it seated properly the whole way around. Once you're done, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.